Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, we are here for new video. In this video, we will learn lesson number 3 from Madani Qaida Harakat. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe my channel madaniislamicacademy.com. In this lesson, we will learn how we pronounce the harakat and what is harakat and how many types of harakat. Let's come to the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, what is harakat? The plural of haraka is harakat. Sabar, zir, पेश और फतह, कसरा, तम्मा are called harakat. Zabar and pesh are placed above the letter, whereas zir is placed below the letter, and the letter which has a haraka or harakat on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. It means a letter which has harakat on it or below it. This letter will called mutaharrik letter. How we pronounce the harakat or mutaharrik letter? Pronounce the zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice. When we pronounce zabar, we open the mouth and raising the voice. When we pronounce zir, we drop the voice. Means pronounce the zir by dropping the voice. Zir is placed below the letter. Pronounce the pesh, which is placed up to the letter, on the letter, above the letter, by rounding the lips. When we pronounce pesh, then we round our lips. Be remember, pronounce the harakat in Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. How we pronounce the harakat? The harakat will be pronounced without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. And how this is, we will do in this video. We will learn how we pronounce the harakat. Keep remember, if a haraka or harakat or stop or sukoon is present on a alif, then it will be pronounced hamza. It means if alif has any harakat on it or below it, it will be pronounced hamza. It will not pronounce alif. If alif has any harakat, any zabar, zir or pesh on it or below it, then it will be pronounced hamza, 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 hamza. We will do more practice in this lesson, inshallah azza wa jal. And keep remember, if the letter ra has zabar or pesh on it, if the letter ra has zabar or pesh on it, zabar and pesh will be placed above the letter, on the letter. If the letter ra has zabar or pesh on it, it will be pronounced with thicker tone or thicker voice, thick voice. If the letter ra has any harakat, zabar or pesh on it, it will be pronounced with thicker voice or thicker tone. We will do more practice for this in this lesson. Let's start our lesson how we pronounce the harakat. Our first letter is alif. Alif has harakat zabar on it. Now it will pronounce hamza. It will not pronounce alif, because we have learned in previous slide that if alif has any harakat on it, below it, it will be pronounced as hamza. It will not pronounce as alif. Keep remember, I repeat, if alif has any harakat on it or below it, then it will be pronounced as hamza. Okay, let's start our lesson. Hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh u, a e u. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or without suddenly pause. Follow me how I pronounce harakat. Hamza zabar a, hamza zer e, hamza pesh u, a e u. Let's do more practice. Ba zabar ba, ba zer b, ba pesh bu, ba bi bu. Ta zabar ta, ta zer ti, ta pesh tu, ta ti tu. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Sa zabar sa, sa zer si, sa pesh su, sa si su. Jim zabar ja, jim zer ji, jim pesh ju, ja ji ju. Ha zabar ha, ha zer hi, ha pesh hu, ha hi hu. This letter will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Keep remember, for pronouncing this letter very careful. It will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ha zabar ha, ha, ha zer hi, ha pesh hu, ha hi hu. Kha zabar kha, kha zer khi, kha pesh khu, kha khi khu. This letter is kha is a mustaliya letter. Always will be pronounced with thicker voice or thicker tone. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or sudden pause. Kha zabar kha, kha zer khi, kha pesh khu, kha khi khu. Dal zabar da, dal zer di, dal pesh du, da di du. Zal zabar za, zal zer zi, zal pesh रू, रा री रू, रॉ ज़बर रॉ ज़ेर री, रॉ पेश रू, रॉ री रू. Keep remember viewers, harkat will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Za zabar za, za zir zi, za pesh zu, za zi zu. Sin zabar sa, sin zir si, sin pesh su, sa si su, sa si su. That is our lesson number 3, harkat part 1. Inshallah in next part we will do more harkat letters. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.